I'll start with the convertView.setTag myViewHolder. The setTag method is used to attach an arbitrary object to the view object. This tag can be any object that you find useful for associating additional data or information with that view. So I am attaching myViewHolder, which is the ViewHolder object, to the convertView using the setTag method. By doing this, you are associating the ViewHolder with the specific view that it represents. And the primary reason for attaching ViewHolder to the view using setTag method is to ensure that you later can retrieve it from the view when you need to update the view's content. I'll move to add the else statement, and this else statement refers for the case that the view is recycled. Here I'm creating a new view because the convert view is not exist. Here I'm reusing the view because it exists and recycle. When the view is recycled, you can retrieve the associated view holder using getTag method and use it to efficiently populate the view with the data for the current item. Starting by the myViewHolder equal ViewHolder convertView.getTag result equal to convert view. So the getTag method is used to retrieve an object that was previously set as a tag using the setTag method on the view object. It allows you to retrieve custom data or objects associated with a view. And by using getTag and setTag methods, you're able to access the view holder that holds references to the views within the layout. This allows you to efficiently update the recycled view with the appropriate data without needing to find and assign views using findViewById method repeatedly. Then I'll move to use the myViewHolder.planetName.setText, and here I am getting the data from the model class, which is the planet. setText data model, or the planets. Here I'll name it as planets. Planets.getPlanetName. Also I need to get the moonCount.setText planets.getMoonCount. myViewHolder.planetImage.setImageResource, and here I'll use planets.getPlanetImage. You can see with text views I'll use the setText method, while with the image views I'll use setImageResource. Return convert view or the result.